Hi, this is Jeff Decker. I live in Lepacon Township outside of Phillipsburg, New Jersey. And I just want to say I just had my pool redone by Bluedreampools. I found Blue Dream on the website. I called a couple of folks, looked at their references. They did a dynamite job. I went through the whole process of looking at the films of the prior people. And let me tell you, this pool came out beautiful. So it looks like a brand new pool for me. And they went through the whole process, explained the whole thing. My pool was about 23 years old. It was really cracking. They did a nice process coming in, and I'll tell you, they put new tile on my stairs, which I didn't have before, and it's been a great with Heckman and Kevin just doing a terrific job through the whole process. So it's a great. I would recommend Blue Dream Pools for anybody looking to renovate, open, close, whatever. So thank you.
Thank you.